Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to upload a large file into GitHub repository. First, let me go to my GitHub profile and try to upload a file by using a normal method. I have kept my file in my desktop. This is my data, my sales data. It is a CSV format file, and if you look at the size of this file, it's almost 292 MB. Let me try to upload this file. As you can see here, it throws an error. That's a big file. Try again with a file smaller than 25 MB. So, if you want to upload any file that is more than 25 MB, then you have to use some other method, and that is called git LFS. LFS stands for large file storage. It's really simple. You have to go to this website and download this into your system and install it. After installing it, you have to follow some simple steps mentioned here, and after that you can successfully upload the data into your GitHub repository. Now I will explain each step in detail in this video. First, go to this website, download this and install into your system. After doing that, go to the command prompt. Now let's follow each step. The first step is git LFS install. This code will initialize git LFS. As you can see, git LFS is initialized. Sometimes you might see an error like this. Git is not recognized as an internal or external command. If you get this kind of error message, make sure you have installed git LFS as well as Git. Go to this website, download Git according to your OS, which OS you use, and after this, make sure the path is mentioned in the environment. To check that, go to the Windows search bar, type environment variables. Here select edit the system environment variables under control panel, and once it opens up, select advanced tab and go to environment variables, and here look for the path, select that and click on edit. As you can see here, this is the path where my LFS is located. So if you don't see this path, you can add this manually by clicking on new, and then you can just enter the path here and click on OK. After that, you won't be getting this error. So now let's get back. The second step is we have to track the file. Before tracking the file, I want to look where the file is located. So for that, I'm going to give cd and mention my path. Now I want to view all the files, so I give dir. So in this, I want to upload my sales data.csv. So I give git LFS track. I mention the file name, my sales data.csv, and give enter. This is going to track my file. If you have multiple files, then you can use asterisk. Now it has started tracking my sales data file. Now the next step is I'm going to create an attribute. So here I just copy this line and paste it here. After the attributes are added, I'm going to add this file. I give git add my sales data.csv. This is going to take some time because the size of the file is huge. And now I'm going to commit this. So once again I'm going to copy this code and paste it here. You can use any name within this block of codes. And now it is going to commit my file. Now the last and the final step is we have to push this. So once again I copy the last block of code and I paste it here. Now it tells that it has uploaded the data. Now let us go to our GitHub profile and check whether the data file has been uploaded or not. So as you can see here, my sales data has been successfully uploaded. And you can even check the size is almost 286 MB. So by doing this, you can upload any file which is more than 25 MB into the GitHub repository. I hope you like this video. Thank you.